What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It's Mitchy Boy here, and just want to do a video today and show you guys how to find the model number for your phone. My battery just isn't holding its charge anymore, so I had to buy a replacement. And so yeah, I'm just going to show you how you can find your model number in case you need to find the correct battery for your phone. So what you do is you go to your phone settings. It's pretty easy. You go to more, and then you come down here to about device, and then you just want to look through there. There's a few different things it says, and it has like the model number and just some other details about it. So yeah, just check that and put your model number into like wherever you're looking for your battery, wherever you're going to buy it from online, and then it should pop up. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.